just indicated yesterday clearly that Honorable Gachagua is welcome to Kisii. He's a leader like another leader. Yes, we know that he has caused some discourse in this country, which all of us would have to really look into. But for today, I want to point out that while he's coming, he knows what he took us through in 2 years in office. We know the frustration of Honorable Gachagua he got in the government of Ruto, where he was the deputy. Until his departure from the office, he is one of the people who perpetrated, especially in Kisii, where himself he pointed out in the function we had at Musocho, that until we were to behave, myself he told me that until we were to behave, that's the only time we could have gotten our security back. That was unbecoming, but we are saying let security again be provided to Gachagua, given that he was the former deputy president. But of importance, we want to ask them that let us collaborate and cooperate with all leaders of like mind in the country to salvage the country from its status